Welcome to today's episode on daily hair care personalized towards your hair type. Hi, I am your host, Dr. Sandeep Nagre. Whether you're struggling with frizz, dry scalp, hair loss, dandruff, or simply looking to maintain a healthy shine, we've got the medical insight to help you understand how to take better care of your hair. Let's get into it. First, it's important to recognize that not all hair is the same. Your hair type is determined by factors like texture, porosity, density, and oiliness. Understanding your hair's unique characteristics will help you select the best products for your needs. Hair is typically categorized into four main types: straight, wavy, curly, and coily. But within these categories, there are also variations in thickness, porosity, how your hair absorbs moisture, and scalp health. Before we jump into products and routines, it's essential to understand what hair is and how it grows. The hair shaft, the part of the hair you see, is made of a protein called keratin. Hair growth begins in the hair follicle, which sits in the skin. At the base of the follicle is the hair bulb, where new hair cells are made. Each strand of hair grows from a follicle and goes through three phases. Anagen, the growth phase, lasting 2 to 6 years. Catagen, a short transition phase lasting a few weeks. Telogen, the resting phase, which lasts around 2 to 3 months. Most of your hair is in the anagen phase at any given time. But this cycle explains why we shed some hair daily. It's totally normal. So, next time you see hair in your brush, don't panic. But if you're noticing excessive shedding, there may be underlying causes we need to address. Let's talk about some of the most common hair concerns that people bring up during medical visits, starting with hair loss. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors. Genetics, which leads to conditions like male or female pattern baldness. Hormonal imbalances, such as those caused by thyroid issues or postpartum changes. Nutritional deficiencies, especially in vitamins like iron and biotin. Stress, which can trigger conditions like telogen effluvium, where the hair sheds excessively due to stress. Some inflammatory medical conditions also cause hair loss. A detailed evaluation by a healthcare provider is necessary for those conditions. If you're experiencing noticeable thinning or bald patches, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the root cause. Treatments range from medications like minoxidil to addressing any nutritional gaps through diet or supplements. Now let's address dandruff, another super common issue. Medically known as seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff is a chronic condition where the scalp becomes inflamed, leading to flaky skin. It can be caused by an overgrowth of a yeast-like fungus, oily skin, or sensitivity to hair products. For mild cases, over-the-counter shampoos containing zinc pyrition, selenium, salicylic acid, or ketoconazole can work wonders. However, if dandruff persists, it's best to seek advice from a healthcare provider who can recommend prescription-strength treatments. Now, let's shift gears to something that applies to everyone: how to take care of your hair on a day-to-day basis. Here are some evidence-based tips to keep your hair healthy. 1. Gentle cleansing. Avoid overwashing your hair. For most people, shampooing 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. Excessive washing can strip the hair of natural oils that keep it moisturized. 2. Proper conditioning. Always follow up shampooing with a good conditioner. If your hair is prone to breakage, consider a deep conditioning treatment once a week. 3. Heat protection. If you frequently style your hair with heat tools, be sure to use a heat protectant spray. Excessive heat can damage the hair shaft, leading to dryness and split ends. 4. Balanced diet. Your hair's health is a reflection of what's going on inside your body. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. These are key nutrients for hair strength and growth. And finally, 5. Avoid tight hairstyles. Hairstyles that pull tightly on the scalp, like high ponytails or braids, can cause a condition called traction alopecia. Over time, this can lead to permanent hair loss. Hair care for each hair type. Straight hair tends to lie flat and can sometimes get oily more quickly. The key here is finding products that add volume without weighing the hair down. Look for shampoos that are volumizing and lightweight conditioners that won't leave a greasy residue. Dry shampoo is also great for keeping that fresh look between washes. Wavy hair. Wavy hair has a natural texture, but can sometimes struggle with frizz or become weighed down with the wrong products. Go for lightweight moisturizing shampoos and use leave-in conditioners to help control frizz and enhance those waves without making them look flat. Curly hair. Curly hair requires a lot of moisture and definition. The trick is to find hydrating products that lock in moisture and keep your curls bouncy and defined. Curly-haired people should try co-washing, using conditioner to cleanse the scalp without stripping it of natural oils. And don't forget curl creams and styling gels to keep those curls looking their best. Coily hair. Coily or kinky hair is the most delicate of all hair types. It's prone to dryness and breakage, so nourishing products are essential. Deep conditioning treatments and hair oils are a must for coily hair. Once you've identified your hair type, the next step is choosing the right products. Here are a few key ingredients and tips to look out for based on your specific needs. For dry hair, look for products with natural oil like argan oil, shea butter, aloe vera, or glycerin to lock in moisture. For oily hair, choose shampoos with tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera, or salicylic acid to balance scalp oil production. For frizzy hair, natural oil, shea butter, or aloe vera. Use products containing silicone alternatives like dimethicone for smoother results without buildup. For a sensitive scalp, go for sulfate-free, gentle formulas, and avoid harsh fragrances. Always read the label and check for ingredients that suit your specific hair needs. Avoid products that contain sulfates and parabens, which can be harsh on hair over time. Before we wrap up, let's cover a few common mistakes people make when using hair care products. Overloading your hair with product can lead to buildup and weigh it down. Overwashing strips your hair of natural oils, which can actually cause your scalp to produce more oil. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Don't forget to choose products that nourish and protect your scalp, not just the ends of your hair. Remember, your hair is unique, and finding the right products may take a bit of trial and error. But by understanding your hair type and choosing products that cater to its specific needs, you're on the right track for healthier, happier hair. Thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with anyone you think could use a little hair care guidance. Until next time, take care.